Hi students, today discuss 10th standard maths chapter 1 relation and functions. One of the important topic, composition of functions. Already you know functions, there are many types, one function, on two function, many one function. Already you know very well. Now we discuss composition of function and some problems and exercise 1.5. First one is function. How to find a function? The function is defined f from a function is defined f from a to b. The function is defined f from a to b. Here a is the input value. A is input and b is output value. B is output value. Here a is input and b is output value, where a is called a domain. Where a is the input is a domain. And b is called codomain. The set B is called a codomain. Is called the codomain. A function is defined f from a to b is where a is a domain and b is codomain. A function is here x value is here x is the domain where x belongs to in a, in mapping from a to b. The mapping from a to b is called a function f. A function is called as a mapping or transformation, that is called a function. First one, the domain is x values is where x belongs to a, and the codomain is the function is f of x. The function is f of x. Here the function is defined f from a to b. Here the function is f from a to b, given any two non-empty sets a and b is given. A and b is any two non-empty sets. The mapping from a to b is called the function f. Where f is a function is called as mapping or transformation. That is a function. It is one of the function is f, and another one function is g. Where g is another one function is a function is defined g from b to c. G from b to c. A function g is called g from b to c, where b is the input value and c is the output value. Where b is the input value is f of x, and the output value c, that is c. Here c is this function mapping from b to c. Here the function is mapping from b to c is called the function g, where g is called the function. A function is mapping from b to c. Given the function is denoted by g of f of x. The function g is g of f of x. Here the function is a to c is. Here the function a to c is. Here the function a to c is achieved from a to c is called a g dot of f, where g dot of f is the composition of two functions. Here g dot f is a composition of two functions. G dot f is a composition of two functions. The composition of two functions is defined. Take two functions. One of the function is f from a to b, and another one function is g from b to c. Be a two function. The composition of two function f and g is the composition of two function composition of two function f and g are denoted by g dot of f. G dot of f, where dot is a composition of two function, where g dot of f is define g dot of f equal to g of f of x. The composition of two function f and g is defined g composition of g dot of f of x equal to g of f of x. G of f of x. G dot of f is, now we can return g of f of x. And composition of function is f dot g is, the composition of f dot of g equal to, f dot of g is f dot of g of x. F dot of g of x equal to f of g of x. F of g of x. Here the composition of two function f and g is denoted by g dot of f is g of f of x and f dot of g is f of g of x. That is a composition of two function. Composition of two function is, here the function is x and the function mapping from a to b is given, the function is f, and the given the function g is the mapping from b to c is given, the function is g. F of x is interior of g of f of x. Here the function, here the composition function is a nesting function. The composition function is a nesting function. Here x, the function f is f of x and the function g is g of f of x. Here the composition of function is a nesting function. The composition of function is a nesting function. Okay. Now find g dot of f. G dot of f. Where does the composition of two function, where does exist? Composition of two function, where does exist? G dot of f is exist. Where does exist? The range of f is a, the range of f is a subset of, the range of f is a subset of the domain of g. The domain of g. The range of f is a subset of the domain of g. The domain of g. The range of f is a subset of, the range of f is a subset of your domain of g where g dot f is exist. And the second one, f dot g. Here f dot g is the range of second one. The range of second one is g. The range of g is a subset of, the range of g is a subset of a domain is domain of f where g dot f dot of g is exists. Now we discuss one example. Given f of x is equal to x square and g of x equal to x plus 1. G of x is x plus 1, for example. Now to find f dot g. To find f dot g. Already you write f dot g is f dot g equal to f dot g is f dot of g of x. F dot of g of x. Now we can return f of g of x. F of g of x. F of g of x. F dot of g is the composition of two functions. F dot of g is now written as f of g of x. Already given two function f of x and g of x is given. Here f of g of x is f of, here g of x values is, here g of x is x plus 1. Here g of x is x plus 1. Now substitute the value. G of x is x plus 1. Now substitute in this one, f of x plus 1. The whole function is f of x. Even the function is f of x. The function is f of x. Already f of x is given. F of x is x square. F of x is x square. Here f of x is, here x value is, here x equal to the replace of x plus 1. X equal to x plus 1. Now substitute the value. Here the function is, total function is f of x, where x equal to x plus 1. Now substitute the value in f of x. Here f of x is x square, where x is replaced in x plus 1. F of x is x square. Here x value is x plus 1. X plus 1 whole square. That is f dot of g equal to x plus 1 whole square. Now expand the value. X plus 1 whole square is a plus b whole square expansion. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. X plus 1 whole square is expand x square, a square plus 2ab 2x plus b square is 1. That is f dot of g equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. That is f dot g. F dot g is composition of two function is f of g of x. F is outside f of g of x. Here g of x is x plus 1. Now substitute the value. G of x is x plus 1. The total function is f of x. Total function is f of x. Already f of x is given. F of x is x square. F of x is x square. Now substitute the value. X is x plus 1. X is x plus 1. The replace in x is x plus 1. X plus 1 whole square. Here x square. Here x is replaced in x plus 1. X plus 1 whole square equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 is f dot g. That is a composition of two functions. We see the example problem. Example 1.20. Find f dot g and g dot of f when f of x equal to 2x plus 1, g of x equal to x square minus 2. Then find f dot g and g dot of f. F dot g is composition of two functions. F dot g is defined. F dot g equal to f of, where f is outside, f of g of x. Where f of g of x is f of g of x. Now written f of g of x. F is outside and interior of g of x. Here f of given g of x is x square minus 2. Substitute in this value. G of x is x square minus 2. X square minus 2. That is the function is f of x square minus 2. The whole function is f of x. The whole function is f of x. That is f of x. Here x is the replace in x is where x equal to x is x square minus 2. Where x is x square minus 2. Substitute in f of x. The total function is f of x, where x is x square minus 2. Substitute in f of x. Here f of x value is 2x plus 1. Here f of x value is 2x plus 1. Here f of x value is 2x plus 1, 2 into. Here x is replaced x square minus 2. Substitute in x square minus 2 into x square minus 2 plus 1. Okay. F of x square minus 2, the whole function is f of x, where x is replaced x square minus 2. Now substitute the value. F of x is given the function f of x is 2x plus 1, where x is x square. Now substitute the value x square minus 2. 2 into x square minus 2 plus 1. That is a f of x. Now multiply by 2 in both. 2 into x square, 2x square. 2 2s are minus 4. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 1. That is equal to 2x square minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 is f dot g. F dot of g of x. F dot of g of x is 2x square minus 3. The next one, find g dot of f. G dot of f. Now find g dot of f equal to g dot of f is g dot of, now write g dot of f of x. g dot of f of x is g is outside g of f of x. G of f of x. Already given two function f of x and g of x is given. Here g of f of x is, here the function f of x equal to, here the function f of x equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x equal to x square minus 2. This is g of f of x. Here the f of x is 2x plus 1. Now substitute the value. F of x is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. The whole function is divine g of x. The whole function is divine g of x. The whole function is divine g of x, where x is replaced. Where x is replaced, x equal to 2x plus 1. X is, where x equal to 2x plus 1. Now substitute the value g of x whole function g of x, where g of x is, where g of x equal to x square minus 2. Now substitute the value x is 2x plus 1. Here g of x is x square minus 2. Now substitute the value x is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 whole square, that is x square. X square is 2x plus 1 whole square minus 2. Now expand the value. 2x plus 1 whole square is a plus b whole square expansion. 2x plus 1 whole square is a square is 2x square. 2 square x square is 4x square. A square plus b square is, b values is 1, 1 square is 1 plus 2ab. 2ab is 2ab, 2 2s are 4 and 4x minus 2, that is equal to 4x square plus 4x, first x square term and x term, 4x square plus 4x minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 4x square plus 4x minus 1, that is g dot of f. G dot of f of x. First one is f dot g is 2x square minus 1, sorry, minus 3. That is equation number 1. And second one, g dot of f of x is 4x square plus 4x minus 1 is equation number 2. Comparing 1 and 2 is 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2 are not equal. Comparing 1 and 2 are not equal. The first one f of x is, first one f of x is 2x square minus 3 and the second one is 4x square plus 4x minus 1. Comparing these two is not equal, but therefore f dot of g is not equal to, f dot of g is not equal to g dot of f. F dot of g is not equal to g dot of f, but therefore the composition of two function is not commutative. Composition of two function is not commutative. The composition of two function f dot g is not equal to g dot of f. The composition of two function is not commutative, but some conditions are satisfied. Some conditions are satisfied mean f of x and g of x is given, f dot of g equal to g dot of f, both are equal. Some conditions are satisfied. Right, next one, exercise 1.5, the first problem. Using the function f and g given below. Using the function f and g given below, find f dot g, find f dot g and g dot f. Check whether f dot g and equal to g dot of f. Using the function f and g are two composition function. Find f dot g and g dot of f. Find f dot g and g dot of f. Check, verify, check whether f dot g equal to g dot of f. The first one, f of x is, the first problem is f of x equal to x minus 6 and g of x equal to x square. F of x equal to x minus 6 and g of x equal to x square. First solving, first one problem, first one solution. Given f of x is, given f of x equal to x minus 6 and g of x equal to x square. G of x is x square. F of x equal to x minus 6, g of x equal to x square. Now find, first one find f dot g. First one find f dot g. F dot g is written How can return? F dot of g of x. F dot of g of x, where f dot of g of x is f is outside f of g of x. F of g of x. F is outside f of g of x. F of here g of x values is g of x is x square. Here g of x equal to x square and f of x is x minus 6. X minus 6. Now substitute the value g of x is g of x equal to x square. G of x is x square. The total function is f of x. The total function is f of x. Here x values is where x values is where x equal to x square. Where x is x square. Now substitute the values is f of x. Here the function f of x is x minus 6. X minus 6. Where x is replaced x square. Where x is replaced x square. Even the function is f of x is x minus 6. Where x is x square minus 6. That is f dot g. F dot g. That is equation number 1. F dot g is x square minus 6. Next one find g dot of f. Next one find g dot of f. That is implies g dot of f equal to g of f of x. Now written as g of f of x, g of f of x. That is g of f of x is given the function. Here the f of x is x minus 6. G of x minus 6. G of x minus 6. The whole function is g of x. The whole function is g of x where x equal to x minus 6. Where x is x minus 6. Now substitute in g of x. Here g of x is x square. Here g of x is x square. Where x is the replace x minus 6. That is g of x is x square. Replace x is x minus 6. That is x square is x minus 6 whole square. X minus 6 whole square. Now expand this value. X minus 6 whole square is a minus b whole square expansion. That is g dot of f. That is a g dot of f. So comparing 1 and 2. The question is find f dot g and g dot of f. Check verify f dot g equal to g dot of f. Comparing 1 and 2 is first one f dot g is x square minus 6 and the second one is f dot g dot of f equal to x minus 6 whole square. But comparing 1 and 2 is that is x square minus 6 is not equal to x minus 6 whole square. But therefore comparing 1 and 2 is therefore 1 is not equal to 2. But therefore f dot g is not equal to g dot of f. G dot of f. But therefore the composition of two function is not commutative. F dot g is not equal to g dot of f. Find the fourth question. Using the function f and g given below, find f dot g and g dot of f. Check whether f dot g equal to g dot of f. And the fourth one question is f of x equal to 3 plus x and g of x equal to x minus 4. Given the solution, given the function f of x is f of x equal to given f of x equal to 3 plus x and the g of x equal to x minus 4. Now find first one find f dot g. F dot g equal to f dot of g equal to f dot of g of x. F dot of g of x. That is f dot of g of x is f is outside f of g of x. F of g of x. Here f of g of x is given. G of x is x minus 4. G of x is x minus 4. Now substitute the value. This is equal to f of here g of x value is x minus 4. X minus 4. F of x minus 4. Here the function total function is f of x. F of x minus 4 total function is f of x. Where x equal to x minus 4. Given the function f of x equal to 3 plus x. 3 plus x. Now substitute the value f of x where f of x is 3 plus x. F of x is 3 plus x. Now substitute the value 3 plus x. 3 plus x value is where x is x minus 4. x minus 4. So 3 plus x minus 4. This x term is first one. X 3 minus 4 is minus 1. That is, now find f dot g equal to f dot g is x minus 1. That is equation number 1. F dot g is x minus 1. That is equation number 1. Next one, find g dot of f. Next one, find is g dot of f. G dot of f is g dot of f of x. Now written as g of f of x. G of f of x. The next one, g of f of x is given. F of x is 3 plus x. 3 plus x. G of x. So total function is g of x. That is g of x where x equal to 3 plus x. Where x is 3 plus x. Substitute in g of x. Here g of x values is, here g of x is x minus 4. Here g of x values is x minus 4. Now substitute the values is x minus 4. G of x. Where x is, the replace 3 plus x. So 3 plus x minus 4. Here the function g of x is x minus 4. Substitute in x is 3 plus x. 3 plus x minus 4. 3 plus x minus 4. X is first term x. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. This minus. This function is g dot f. That is equation number 2. Comparing 1 and 2. Comparing the equation 1 and 2 is, the first one is f dot g is x minus 1. And the second one is g dot of f is x minus 1. Both are equal. Comparing 1 and 2 is, therefore f dot g equal to g dot of f. So comparing 1 and 2 are equal. But therefore f dot g equal to g dot of f. F dot g equal to g dot of f. F dot g is not equal to g dot of f is composition of two function is not commutative. Some condition are satisfied. F dot g equal to g dot of f. Therefore, given the function f of x and g of x and for some condition is satisfied, f of x and g of x are both are equal. Therefore, some conditions is f dot g equal to g dot of f are satisfied. The next exercise 1.5, the second problem. Find the value of k. Find the value of k such that given the condition f dot g equal to g dot of f. F dot g equal to g dot of f, both are equal. Now find the value of k. Given f of x and g of x is, f of x is 3x plus 2 and g of x is 6x minus k. First now find f dot g. The solution. Now find f dot g. F dot g equal to, f dot g is f dot of g of x. F dot of g of x. That is f of g of the function is now written as f of g of x. Next one, f of, here g of x values is, g of x is 6x minus k. Here g of x is 6x minus k. 6x minus k, that is g of x value. The total function is f of x. That is the function is totally f of x. Where x is, replace x is 6x minus k. 6x minus k. 6x minus k. Now substitute in f of x. That is f of x is 3x plus 2. Where f of x is 3x plus 2. Where x values is 6x minus k, substitute in f of x. Where f of x is 3x, here x values is 6x minus k. 3 into 6x minus k, 6x minus k plus 2 plus 2. But 3 into 6x minus k plus 2. Now multiply 3, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18x. 3 into minus k, minus 3k. Next one, plus 2. That is f dot g. F dot g is 18x. 18x minus 3k plus 2 is f dot g. G dot of f, the composition of two functions. G dot f is g dot of f of x. That is g of f of x. G of, we can written as g dot of f of x, g of f of x. G is outside, g of f of x. G of, already f of x is given. F of x is, here f of x value is 3x plus 2. Here f of x value is 3x plus 2. The total function is g of x, where x is equal to 3x plus 2. Where x is 3x plus 2. Now substitute in g of x. That is g of x is, that is g of x equal to 6x minus k. G of x is 6x minus k. Substitute in x. That is g of x. That is g of x is 6x minus k. 6 into x value is, where x is replaced 3x plus 2. Where x is replaced 3x plus 2. X value is 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 minus, where x is replaced 3x plus 2 minus k. Minus k. 6 into 3x plus 2 minus k. Now multiply by 6 in both terms. 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18x. Next one. 6 2s are 6 into 2 plus 6 2s are 12 minus k. 18x plus 12 minus k is g dot of f. That is g dot f is 18x. G dot of f is 18x plus 12 minus k, that is g dot of f. Given the condition is f dot g and g dot of f are both are equal. Given the condition is both are equal, now find the value of k. Now find the value of k, that is both are equal. Given the condition is f dot g equal to g dot of f. Given the condition both are equal. The first one f dot g already find. F dot g is, f dot g value is 18x minus 3k plus 2 is f dot g value. First one is f dot g is 18x minus 3k plus 2 equal to g dot of f is 18x. G dot of f is 18x plus 12 minus k. Both are condition are equal. 18x minus 3k plus 2, 18x plus 12 minus k. And 18x gets cancelled. 18x cancel. Next one, minus 3k plus 2, that side 12 minus k. Minus 3k that side, plus 3k. That is implies plus 3k. Minus 3k that side, plus 3k. Already minus k plus 3k is 2k. Here 12 this side, plus 12 this side is minus 12. Already plus 2 is here. Minus 12 plus 2 equal to minus 10. 2k equal to minus 10. Therefore, this implies 2k equal to minus 10, k equal to minus 10 by 2. Now cancel this value 5 times, 2 table 5 times. Here the k value is k equal to minus 5. The k value is minus 5. Okay students, this is a composition of two functions. You work out the same model questions in exercise 1.5. The first problem, second one, and third one, and example 1.22. The remaining question we will see next class. Thank you.